The Chinese digital human anatomy system is reconstructed by 3D structures of real human tomographic data. The thickness of the section is 0.1 mm for the head and neck, 0.5 mm for the chest and abdomen, and 1 mm for the lower limbs, male 2,110 layers, and female 3,600 layers. Whether you log in the software or not, you can use it anyway. The software is divided into 5 modules: systematic anatomy, regional anatomy, sectional anatomy, anatomical video, and autonomous learning. Systematic anatomy is divided according to each system of the human body, such as locomotor, alimentary, respiratory, and so on. Take the locomotor as an example. There are many preset positions under each system. You can view corresponding contents by clicking the preset position. Take the skull as an example. Click to enter the skull scene. The middle of the screen is 3D viewing area with a row of function buttons on the right and bottom. The 3D structure can be horizontally rotated by holding the left mouse button to view the anatomical structures from different angles. You can quickly select different visual angle for viewing through the shortcut buttons below. Anterior, ant. Posterior, pos. Lateral, lat. Superior, sup. Inferior, inev. Focus, focus. 360 degrees, free. Click the comment button below to open the comment. You can get the English name and pronunciation of the structure by clicking on different anatomical structures.
Right temporal bone. Right maxilla. Left maxilla. Left maxilla.
The red dot on the structure is the knowledge point. Click to view the corresponding content. Single show after selecting an anatomical structure by clicking the left mouse button. The structure is highlighted. Click the single show button on the right to clear the anatomical structure except the selected one. Convenient for user to check the structure. Undo. Click the right undo button with the left mouse button to get the scene back to the previous operation. All hide. Click the All Hide button to empty the entire screen. Hide. Click the Hide button on the right to hide the selected anatomy for easy observation of deep structures. Drag after clicking the drag button on the right side. The 3D structure in the scene is separable. You can drag the structure by holding the left mouse button. The structure moved may reset by clicking left mouse button. Explosion. Click the explosion button to separate all structures in the scene from the center point. Transparent. After selecting an anatomical structure, the structure is highlighted. Click the transparent button on the right to make the structure transparent. Transparency can be adjusted by dragging the slider. Paint. Click Paint button on the right to paint all the structures in the scene for differentiation. Select. After clicking the button on the right side, hold the left mouse button and draw a box in the scene. The structures in the box are all selected. Contents. Click the Contents button below with the left mouse button to open or close the Systematic Anatomy contents. The plus or sign in front of the structure can be clicked to expands or collapses the table of contents. Click on the entry. The plus and signs will appear after the entry. Click the plus to load all the anatomical structures corresponding to the entry. Click the to delete all the corresponding anatomical structures in the scene. All structures in the directory can be loaded. Pronounce. After clicking the button with the left mouse button, click any structure in the scene to get the English pronunciation of the structure.
Right pectoralis major, left deltoid, left obliquus externs abdominis, left biceps brachii.
Draw. Click the button below to draw. The screen is currently in the state-of-the-art board. You can select different colors for writing and painting. The screenshot can be saved to the desktop of the computer. Find. Click the Find button below to enter the first letter of the structure you want to find, and load the found structure into the scene. The structure is highlighted. Other structure in the scene is transparent to make it easier to see the structure you want to find. Stereo. When the operating computer and display device support 3D display, click the stereo button with the left mouse button and wear 3D glasses to observe the 3D display. Section. Click the section button below with the left mouse button to open the human body section. To show the coronal plane, sagittal plane and transverse plane. Each section can be enlarged to view, and the corresponding anatomical name can be displayed by clicking on the section. The three sections are related to the 3D structure. Video. Click the video button below with the left mouse button to view the video corresponding to the current scene content. Add video. Click the upper video button with the left mouse button to retrieve the corresponding video from the software video library to the current scene. Label. In the login situation, click the upper button with the left mouse button to add the label knowledge point to any 3D structure in the current scene. Save as. In the login situation, click the upper Save button with the left mouse button to save the current screen. Background switch. Click the upper background switch button with the left mouse button to switch the scene background to black or white. The regional anatomy is divided according to the part of the body, such as head, neck, chest, etc. For example, the lower limbs. The layout of the scene is similar to the systematic anatomy. Contents. Different scenarios have different contents. In this scenario, the structures are all from the anterior region of thigh. Compile the scene by loading it. Cut line. Click cut line below with the left mouse button to the extent of incision during dissection. Layer hide. Click the layer hide button on the right to display the current number of section levels. Click to view different levels. Video. Click the video button below to view the video of the corresponding part. The sectional anatomy module mainly compares the true human body section pictures with CT/MRI images. Take a section of the head as an example. The upper left side is the human transverse section. The lower part is the corresponding CT/MRI, and the right side is the 3D structure. Click the number on the CTMI to see the location and the name of the structure on the human section. The anatomical video contains 130 systematic anatomy animation micro-courses, regional anatomical dissection videos, and sectional teaching videos. The autonomous learning module contains 2 parts: systematic anatomy and regional anatomy.